How I monetize my YouTube channel in just 7 days. Guys, some of you already know that I am a full-time content creator. In June of last year, I quit my job, and in July, I started a new channel. In 7 days, it was monetized. And I remember very well, my first paycheck from that channel was a little over $500, and I was mind blown. I'm not quite sure if the topic at that time was trending, or maybe it's because of the YouTube on easy mode, which is still on easy mode, by the way. And you need to take this advantage right now if you are still thinking of starting a YouTube channel on the 13th of January 2025. You ought to be ashamed of yourself if you're still scared. Nobody cares. Nobody cares how you look like. Nobody cares about anything. People just care about content, the value that you would like to add into their lives. But now let's talk about how I grew that YouTube channel in just 7 days, monetized it in 7 days, is because I had this strategy of uploading YouTube videos 3 times a day, every single day. 3 times a day, every single day for 7 days. Now, I realized that it was picking up traction on the third day, and on the third day, I already have 500 subscribers. And on the sixth day, I had hit 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. Somewhere in between day 3 and day 5 were already accomplished. And now I had to, of course, apply for monetization, which of course took about a day before I was approved. And then I got that email that said, congratulations, you are now YouTube partner. And I was like, oh wow, this is great. And then of course, that particular channel and the videos that I was uploading since I've started the channel were just blowing up, and the algorithm was just feeding my videos to a lot of people all around my country and all over the world where people spoke and understood English. So the point of this video is that if you just started a YouTube channel and you are not seeing traction that far since started your YouTube journey on the 1st of January 2025, maybe you should take this strategy of mine. Upload 3 videos a day. They don't have to be any longer than 3 minutes long to 5 minutes long. Just like this video is going to be about 5 minutes long. And then you post those videos 3 times a day. Now, I know some of you might say, hey, listen, I have a 9 to 5. Great. Listen, we all have 24 hours in a day, and just an hour or 30 minutes before you go to bed, you can sit down, if you do a sit down video, and talk about whatever topic that you would like to talk about, or whatever niche that your channel is about. Try and create 3 videos, 5 minutes long, each of them. Edit as fast as you can, and then now you start scheduling them for the following day to upload at least 3 times. At least 3 times in a day. You will see the traction in the next 3, 4, 5 days. And I'm not guaranteeing you that you are going to get monetized within 7 days, because as you know, YouTube behaves differently with different content and different channels. And as a result of that, you may not achieve what I achieved. And of course, the niche is very important, or the topic that you are going to be talking about will affect how fast you are going to monetize your YouTube channel. So don't go into it because you heard Clantis say, well, in 7 days, he monetized his brand new channel within 7 days, which I did, of course. I think I'm going to put some screenshots in terms of the name of the channel itself, as well as the monies that I've made thus far from the channel. Unfortunately, July payments already kind of like scrolled down, something like that, so you'll not be able to see that. Other than that, it is a channel that continues to grow and continues to make me proud. Unfortunately, in December, I was not posting because I was relaxing from the hard work that I just came from in 2024. But we have started again, and people are appreciating the content. So I wish you all the best of luck with your own content creation in 2025. Try the strategy, see what happens. So just make sure that you do not leave this video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.